Hi there, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. According to some traditions, we're in the Kali Yuga, which is another way of saying a period of time that's really dark. So whether you have heard about the Kali Yuga or not, I think you probably agree with me. These are some dark times. What I've heard, though, that's really good news is if you do spiritual work during this time, it's very, very effective. So I'd like to tell you how you can use TAT to help you attain inner peace, more connection with the divine during these times. One of the first things you can do is, if you're feeling like mad at God, like, God, how come you're allowing such evil things to happen, or manifesting yourself in such dark ways, or allowing evil forces to get the upper hand right now, or whatever you're thinking that makes you feel like you're mad at God. Well, then I suggest one of the things you can do with TAT is you just do the heart pose, palm over your heart chakra, or the TAT pose, which is thumb and ring finger, light touch above the upper inner corner of each eye, and middle finger just between and slightly above eyebrow level, and your other hand at the base of your skull. So your thumb is just above hairline back there. You're not sticking your thumb in that notch or anything. So in this pose, have a silent, unedited conversation with the divine. And the divine already knows your thoughts, right? So it's not like you're going to hide anything. Might as well just say what's real for you silently, what your feelings are, what your thoughts are, just to clear the decks between you and the divine. Another thing you can do is just notice, what is it that is making your mind feel crazed right now, upset, disturbed, so that meditation is really hard, or connecting with God, the divine, feels blocked and obstructed, or feeling love at all for yourself, for other people. So whatever all that mishmash of mess is, you just simply make a decision in that moment. You're going to work on that with TAT. So you just take all that mess of stuff, your thoughts that are disturbed, your emotions, and you might have tight places in your body, like it's hard to even breathe right now, maybe. Whatever's going on for you, where you tend to store your stress, you put all of that into what you're going to do TAT about, and then you just do it. And I would suggest you keep using TAT, not just once, but another day too, maybe a few times a week, so that whatever the stuff is in your mind and your body, your feelings, that's in a blocked, unloving, unflowing condition, you put that, as we say, in the pot. It just means in the field, in the realm of what you're working on, and do the whole TAT process about it. So I'll show you a really short version now, with the hopes that maybe this will bring you a little relaxation, a little more mental ease. The whole process brings you more. And there's one more thing too I want to add in for you. When you were born, for whatever reason, whatever that family was, that situation, likely there was something you wanted to learn about yourself or experience more of in your life, because we can't escape or who we were born to and the situation we were born into. So if people were mean to you, or didn't forgive you, or blamed you for the family problems, or took their frustrations and anger out on you, whatever, or made you feel stupid, whatever your growing up situation was, figure that this is the way I figure it anyway, that that's part of what I wanted to get over in a real way. And TAT can really help you with that. So as you're noticing what's disturbing your mind and your feelings right now, allow yourself to think, what childhood traumas did I have that made me feel that way? And if nothing comes to mind doing that, just include into what you're doing here whatever childhood traumas I had that made me think and feel this way now as an adult. Okay, so all that mishmash of stuff, boom, in the pot. We'll do a teeny short TT process together. So the first thing we do is the heart pose and make a big intention. This healing's on behalf of you, your whole family, all your ancestors, your conscious and subconscious mind, all the parts of you, all the points of view you've ever been identified with, for all beings involved, all beings who'd like to benefit, and it'll happen in a way that's safe and easy. Then we do the TAT pose. And when I say the word this, I'm referring to all the stuff that you just threw into the pot to work on, okay? So we do the pose. Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. All that happened. It's over, and I no longer resonate, identify, or connect with this. All the places in my mind, body, and life where this has been stuck or stored are healing now. And then you can use a word for God or the divine, only if you want to, or universe. I'll just say God for short. God, thank you for healing all the places in my mind, body, and life where this has been stuck or stored. All the origins of this are healing now. God, thank you for healing all the origins of this. And then choose something and put it in present time that you'd like to be real, like, I feel connected with the divine in my heart right now. Or these blocks that I threw in and childhood traumas are actually totally resolved now, and I feel so much peace. Or it's easy for me to access my true self, inner peace, and the divine now. So whatever you choose, you can choose one statement like that or several, just make them that's the way it is right now. And then do the pose and say that to yourself, whatever you chose, 3 times. Okay, that is our short version of TAT to help you attain inner peace. TAT is amazing because it dissolves your connection with all of that mind stuff. It produces relaxation in your body, and your feelings come naturally to a state of inner peace. So maybe not this first run through, but try it again. Try the whole thing we have at the website. And I'm wishing for you inner peace, connection with your heart, connection with love and the divine and your true self. I really hope this helps you out and that you continue to use TAT in this way in these really dark, challenging times. Thanks for listening, and looking forward to another time with you.